Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about a little cook stove that I keep in my coffee box here. It's from Etekcity. It comes under different names. It's a kind of a retro looking stove. It's one of the reasons I bought it. And this is it right here. Now, the way this works is uses butane fuel, which, yes, it doesn't burn as hot, but I've not noticed any real significant differences in the heating process. Butane just clamps into here, turn it. Don't do what I just did. Take the feet out first, it works better that way. Then you put it together. A little bit of butane smell. This flame is, well, it's real adjustable, but I keep forgetting which way's on, which way's off. And what I do, because I use Stanley French press. I'm not big on French presses because I don't like spitting out coffee grounds when I drink my coffee. I've used this. This does not have that problem. It works. Expanded metal. Take the plastic part out. Heat your water. Put in your coffee. Make your coffee. Now, out the burner. If you have it connected to the tank and you move it around, it will flare up a lot. I'm not going to show you that because I don't want to risk my life. It's not that dangerous, but it does flare up. The stove itself, stamped metal, comes out of China or Russia. Backpacking stove, no, it's not. It's big and clunky looking. Looks like it came out of the 50s, late 50s, early 60s. That's when I came out. So I kind of like it. It's retro. Just reminds me kind of stuff that I used to mess around when I was a kid. Quality, where it's coming from, they don't have the best quality control. So there is a higher risk that you're going to get one with problems. It's not that high. I did some research, decided it was low enough to where I bought the stove. This one works just fine. They all apparently have the flare-up problem if you move them while they're being operated. Other than that, it works fine. I've not had any problems with it. It got wet on a boil over, and the clicker stopped working for a couple days until it dried out. Now, I like the way it looks. I like the way it works. There's cheaper models, smaller. If you're a backpacker, this is 14 bucks. What I use it for is my coffee box, which is right here. When I'm out fishing, hunting, or whatever, shooting, and I want coffee, I just throw this in the truck, and I can always make coffee. And I can make coffee for quite a few people, actually. And it works just fine, with no problem. The biggest thing about this stove is it's not a backpacking stove. You kind of got to like the way it looks. There's cheaper, it's 14 bucks plus shipping. There's cheaper stoves out there that you can buy if you're just not interested in anything but doing coffee. These are cheap. These are less expensive than the other fuels. I like that. Again, I just put it in my coffee box so that I'll have the ability to make coffee. But it's a good little stove. It gets the job done. It looks neat. And 14 bucks, it's worth the money. So if you're looking for an unusual stove that not a lot of people are going to have, this is a good one. Thanks for listening.